Come on. Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and this video is about unique features of the new Maserati GranCabrio Trofeo. So the stuff we're going to go over today is not necessarily limited to the Trofeo version of this car, but I've been driving it for a long weekend for 4 days, and I found some things that are unique that I wanted to go over with you. So what's not unique is this is a fast car. It's got a twin turbocharged 3-liter 6, so no more V8s anymore, but twin turbos on your 6-cylinder, producing in Trofeo, which is the top trim. There's also a Modena version that has about 70 horsepower less, and a Folgari version that's going to be fully electric. So this version, you have 542 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. This car starts at a little over 200,000. We got 6-piston caliper steel brakes here, and this, as tested, 231,000. So we're going to hop inside. Going to give you some unique features. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I give you 8 Glenn's Car Collection videos a week across YouTube, Instagram as Glenn's Car Collection, Facebook. So subscribe to those 3. Hit notification bells if they apply. And then we're on TikTok as Glenn's Car Reviews. Remember, Glenn's is 2 N's and an S, G-L-E-N-N-S. All right, so you get full videos every Monday, half video on Friday, and shorts Tuesday through Saturday. So 8 videos a week, and it's free. Leave a comment what you think of this car and the unique features if you know some others that I missed. And then leave a second comment what video you want me to review next. When I get enough comments, I usually can go to a dealer or the manufacturer to get that car if you request it. So if there's a car you want me to review, make sure you keep requesting it every single time and do it as a second comment. Trying to get to 20,000 subscribers. So if you could all take one friend and tell them to subscribe to my channel, that'll get us there and then some. We get over 20,000, we get even more cooler cars because some people want me to have 20,000 subs. All right, so let's get inside and go over those unique features. Here's one of them, the Maserati. And Maserati's been around since 1914. Another cool feature, not unique to Maserati, is the paddle shifters are on, this is a Sunday I'm filming this. It's like dump trucks everywhere. Sorry for all the noise. And the convertible with the top down really picks it up. So, another unique feature is, and it's not really unique, just like my McLaren or Ferraris or Lamborghinis, the paddle shifters are on the steering column. So when we turn, they're in the 9 and 3 position, and you can see them, and they're very nice to the touch. So here's a unique feature. Let's start the car up. The clock. Let's do the clock first. Looks like a regular digital clock. Oh yeah, but it's just more than that. We can make it a compass by pressing the buttons in the menu here. We can do the pedals, so that means if I take the brake, I'm off the brake right now, I'm going to press the brake hard, see it gets red like your Formula 1 telemetry. Hope you saw Drive to Survive in the Formula 1 movies, pretty good. So we're going to go back to the clock, and we can make it a G-meter. Who wouldn't want to drive with a G-meter? I actually have that in my 2017 Panamera Turbo. I forget I have it, but it is a great option to have. First time I ever drove this car, I didn't know how to turn the lights on at night because you actually have to go in there. Somebody had it off for some reason. Maybe they were working on the car in service, and you have to go into the screen to put it on auto. So that's another unique feature. The clock, got to go through the menu to do the lights, and then to change the transmission. So reverse, you get a very good camera here, reverse camera, 360, and that's behind us. You can see we're in northern New Jersey, but you can see the Michigan plates here because that's where Maserati's North American headquarters is. We can put it in neutral. And then you can put it in drive or manual mode. So going around town when I'm behind somebody slow or in traffic, I drive in drive. It'll tell me the D symbol here. And then I put it in M for manual mode, and then I can use these fine paddle shifters. So the transmission, and there's only one choice, is an 8-speed transmission, but is it a fantastic transmission, and I prefer it to a dual clutch. None of the jerkiness, and you still have rapid fire shifts. Another unique feature is you can go into Corsa mode. So we're in GT mode. That's kind of standard when you start the car. I turn this switch to the right, and it'll put me in sport mode. When I put it in sport mode, you see it got louder, the sound, but it also gives me the aggressive shock setting. So I can press it. This is like a toggle. Soft shocks, sport shocks. So we're going to go into soft. And then we can turn it one more time, and we go into Corsa mode. Now, Corsa mode actually lowers the car. That's what you see here. But the problem is with Corsa mode on the street, you're taking all the electronic nannies off, and I don't know So going back into sport mode. And a unique cup holder. Let me show you that too. The cup holder. So do you want a big water bottle like this? 2 cup holders or 1? Well, if I do this, it's 1. Take this out. And there's no good place to store this. You could put this in and now you can fill 2 water bottles. This is kind of too big for it. You see it doesn't fit, but 2 regular water bottles would fit. And then you take this off, put it here. This is the only place I could figure because it doesn't fit anywhere else. And then you can put your big water bottle, another unique feature. All right, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Leave 2 comments what you think of this car and then what car you want me to review next. Follow us on everything. We got to get to 20,000 subs on YouTube. We're almost there. Get a friend, have them subscribe. Make sure you subscribe on Instagram and Facebook. Follow me on all Glenn's Car Collection, GLENNS. And then on TikTok, it's Glenn's, GLENNS, Car Reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.